Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to claim ownership of a Facebook page. Okay, now the first thing that you need to do is just to open your browser and then type business.facebook.com again. Okay, and then you'll be able to see this website. Then right after that, you just have to click on this option, the settings option at the bottom right corner of your screen. At the bottom left corner of your screen. Okay, now you just have to click on the business assets. Okay, that's right, and then click on business assets. You can see that option at add assets at the top right corner of your screen, and then click on Facebook page. Okay, so right after that, you can choose this option, this one. Okay, so since we're claiming an ownership of a specific Facebook page, you just have to tap on this option. I hope you can see that. Okay, now you just have to type the name of the Facebook page that you want to claim. Okay, so for example, this Facebook page. Okay, so right after that, you just have to read all of the details and then tap on done or next. So right after that, you just have to continue what you're doing, and then you can select the next step, and then click on done or next, and then click on the next step again. So you'll be able to proceed to the final claiming of your the ownership of your Facebook page. Okay, so this one you just have to agree to the terms and condition. So you'll be able to tap on the proceed option. Okay, then wait for the page to load. Okay, so this last step here, you just have to click on enter. So right after that, you have successfully claimed the ownership of the specific Facebook page. Okay, so that's how you can do it. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative video tutorials in the future. Bye-bye.